Hello guys, in this today's video we are going to cover how to create React.js application without installing React.js. That is, you don't need to install Node.js or any other thing. You just have to include a script from React. So how to create that? If you open our React.js documentation, just visit reactjs.org, visit docs. Inside this there is a one more thing, add React to website. So how to create that I will show you step by step. Let's open our text editor, that is Visual Studio Code. Inside this I will create new folder, that is new React. Inside new React I will create new HTML file, that is basic.html. Then create one basic HTML program. After that you have to get the link from this doc, so click on add React website. Inside this you will get that you have to add this link, so just copy that link and paste it at the bottom of our code. Then one more thing, you have to create one division, that is HTML tags coming from there, so you can create it something like this. So my div id is like button container. So these are the .js link which are coming from the React.js, and now we have to create one React.js file. Suppose I am creating wisdom.js, so create a file, that is wisdom.js. Inside this JS file now we have to add code word mapper. So let's start. Create one variable, I'm giving name as a e is equal to react dot create element. Then inside this react.create element we have to create one class, so class like button, I'm creating name as a like button. Then we have to extend it from react.component. After this we have to create one constructor, so let's create constructor props. This is the syntax you have to write down, super props. After this we will create one global variable, that is state variable, so create this dot state is equal to, I am creating variable name, that is I am giving it name for example liked, and keeping this value as starting value as a false. Okay, so we created this constructor. After that, after creating the constructor we have to create our render method, so create render. Inside this renders method we have to check that if our like statement is true or not. Suppose this dot state dot like is true, that is if our statement is true, then you have to return you click this button, or instead of click you have to write down you like this button. And if our normal button is there, then I have to return e. E is nothing but our React element. Inside this e you have to write down something like this. If you want to create button, then what will happen when someone click that button, that means you have to add on click method, so you have to write down on click. What will happen when someone click that button, our this like value false become true. So let's set that, create new function. This is the function syntax, this dot set state, and what we have to set, that is liked is equal to true. So we created that, like is equal to true, yes, so we created that. Then at the last you just have to create one DOM method, that is react DOM, full form of DOM, that is document object model, DOM.render. What you have to render, you have to render e, that is our button, of which class, our class name is like button. So create e like button, and where you have to pass it, so you just have to write down this id name. So our id name is button like button like generator, so you just have to pass there. So I'm passing document dot query selector, and inside this query selector I'm passing this value. So if you check this program, I think there is one spelling error, or react dot render, then e, then our class name. Inside this we have to pass document dot query selector all. Oh, we have to pass it into double inverted comma, and we pass that. And one more thing, we close it here. Yeah, it is true. Yes, we have to add one more, I think. Yes, e like button. Where is the problem? Let's check that. Oh, so what we did, we just write down this inside the class. So you make sure you have to write down after the class. Then our selector id is wisdom.js, sorry, like button container. Just copy that, paste it here. And one more thing we have to check, that is what will happen when, that what is the text inside the button. So I will create click here. So if I save this program, save this, and if I run this program, you will get here click here button. And if you click that button, the message is coming, you like this button. So guys, this is how you can create React.js without installing React.js application, without installing Node.js or any React library. Stay tuned, subscribe our channel, and click bell icon to get more updates.